Guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to make some chops, and these are my ingredients. So I have my coconut already washed and chopped, and I have some ginger here washed already, and I have some rose water and almond flavor, vanilla, sugar, some peanuts, maybe I put some in there too, my little twist to this recipe. And I also have my banana leaves, and this is authentic way of making Jamaican chops. There you go. And guys, this is the first time I'm making chops, so let's see how good I am at this thing. Okay, so here I have my water boiling and ready for my coconuts. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to season this water with vanilla and just a little bit of spice. I have some nutmeg in this, nutmeg and cinnamon. And I'm going to grate a piece of ginger. I'm going to use the bigger grater. I'm going to put in my coconut. Want to taste some of the ginger flavor in your chops. You don't just want to taste sugar alone, okay? So you're gonna let this boil for a couple of minutes or so. Then I go in with the sugar. So guys, sorry about that. I put in the sugar and I didn't remember to take the video of it, to video it. And I had in the peanuts. Yes, so I'm just letting it stay there and do its own thing. Yes, tastes good. And this is my way, guys, to add in the peanuts. Just giving it a little twist to it. You remember to taste it if everything is okay with it. So guys, there it is, coming down. It's getting thick. Like that. So just going to let it cook some more till it get down to that crispy sugar texture. So here is it, guys. Seems like it is ready to drop. So guys, I'm going to drop them now. Hope they turned out good. In this case, guys, it seems like you have to move your hand very quickly. So when they dry, I will get back to you.